Hello, my dear students. This is Saloni Jain. Welcome to my channel Learn Programming with Saloni. Today, I am going to teach Python language. So, it is a programming language. Those who really want to learn this language from the very basics, so this is a very basic language. I mean to say that if you don't know about any other language, so there is no need to learn any other language because Python itself is a very basic language. And this course will also help CBSE students for class 11 computer science with Python. So first of all, my question is, what do you mean by Python? So when you heard this word, okay, पाइथन, तो आपके दिमाग में सबसे पहली बात क्या आती है कि व्हाट इज पाइथन, मतलब पाइथन क्या है? तो आप बोलेंगे मैम पाइथन इज अ टाइप ऑफ स्नेक. यस, इट इज अ स्नेक, राइट? इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ स्नेक, राइट? But we are having a programming language also with the same name. Okay, and for class 11 students, I will tell you that in your course also this programming language has been introduced because it is a most simplest language. And if you don't know any language, don't worry about it. And it is a very simple and very powerful language. Now the question is, what is the purpose of learning a Python language? What is the purpose of learning even a programming language? So there are many uses of a programming language. You know that when we use these softwares like Word, Excel, have you thought that these software are developed in some language? Yes, of course. When we use these types of application, can you think that can we make these types of application ourselves? क्या हम भी ऐसे application बना सकते हैं? So the answer is, if you know a language, any programming language, you can make these types of application easily. So Python is a easy language and very simple language, and its syntax are very simple, and you can learn this language easily, right? So you know that another question arise in your mind that ma'am, computer understand only machine language and we people understand only English based language. So how computer understand our language, and then he give us the output in our language only? So I will tell you, when there is a there is a so I will tell you that computer needs a translator always. So there are three translators: compiler, interpreter, and assembler. So generally, computer languages use compiler or interpreter. So some languages use compiler, some languages use interpreter, and some languages use both compiler as well as interpreter. Like C++, okay, it is a programming language which use compiler, and Python language it is use interpreter. Okay, so I will tell you what is compiler. Compiler is a faster one and interpreter is slower one. Okay, so I will tell you later why we call it a slower or why we call it a faster. Okay, so let's start Python programming language. So what is the introduction of this language? It is a widely used general purpose high level programming language, and it is developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991 in Netherlands. And this language is used for software development, web development, system scripting, mathematics language, even it is a Google language. And this language it is used with AI, matlab artificial intelligence. It is a Google language even, and it is used in AI also. Okay, so it is a future language, right? So meet the creator. This is Guido van Rossum. He is the creator of this language. You know, those who are creator of languages, they choose a very unique name for their languages. When they create the language, they think about the name also. what should we give a name to a language. So how Python was named for Python programming language. So Guido van Rossum watched the script movie comes on BBC comedy series. So Rossum thought that he needed a name that was short, unique, and slightly mysterious. So he decided to call the language Python. So it sounds good also, right? So what are the features of Python? So there are many features of Python. It is very easy to use, especially for the beginners, right? Because its syntax are very simple rule, no rigid syntax. Okay, it is an interpreted language, means it checks your program line by line. Because beginners, when we start a programming language, when we start learning a programming language, so when we write a code, so it will, that's why interpreted language is used first. When you learn a language, use interpreted language, right? Because it checks your code line by line. So this is the reason it is an interpreted language. And it is a cross platform language, means it can run not only on Windows, Linux and Macintosh equally. And it is a very expressive language, means you have to write less code and you can express more. The purpose of the code is more, right? And it supports wide range of library. Okay, it supports wide range of library. It supports wide range of library. And it is free and open source language, means you can be downloaded from internet freely. I mean to say that Guido van Rossum चाहते थे कि ये सब सीखे language. Everybody learn this language. So that's why it is free. And source code can be modified for improvement. If you have some other idea, if you want to improve this language, you can modify it and improve it. Okay, so these are the features of Python. And you know that each a coin has two facets, right? Each language has its own advantages and disadvantages. Okay, its own pros and cons, you can say. So that's why it is a free and open source language. Okay, so every language has its own pros and cons, right? मीन्स किसी के एडवांटेजेस भी होते हैं और डिसएडवांटेजेस भी होते हैं, उसी चीज़ के डिसएडवांटेजेस भी होते हैं, ठीक है? तो हर लैंग्वेज के एडवांटेजेस भी होते हैं और डिसएडवांटेजेस भी होते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इट्स फर्स्ट शॉर्टकमिंग ऑफ पाइथन इज लेसर लाइब्रेरी as compared to other programming language like C++ or Java, .NET. There are lots of libraries in these languages, but in Python, because it is a future language, so slowly the libraries will be increased. Okay, so we can say that right now it has a lesser libraries. Okay, it is a slow language because it is a interpreted language. So because it is a beginner's language, that's why it is a interpreted language. Okay, it executes the program slowly, it checks the program line by line, and if there any error in that program, you have to correct that error. आपको वो error ठीक करनी पड़ेगी, अदरवाइज इट विल नॉट मूव फर्दर, वो आगे नहीं जाएगा. सपोज यू हैव मेड टू एरर्स, राइट? सो पहले फर्स्ट एरर करेक्ट होगी, फिर सेकेंड एरर पे जाएगा, अदरवाइज आपका आउटपुट आपको नहीं शो करेगा. तो दिस इज दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ स्लो लैंग्वेज. थर्ड वन इज वीक ऑन टाइप बाइंडिंग. इसका मतलब ये है कि जैसे कि बेटा हम C++ और जावा में हमें डाटा टाइप भी मेंशन करनी पड़ती है, जैसे इंट और फ्लोट एंड ऑल. बट इन दिस लैंग्वेज देर इज नो डाटा टाइप, मतलब ये इसमें हमें कोई डाटा टाइप डिक्लेयर नहीं करनी पड़ती. अगर आपने a=10 लिखा है तो इट इज अ इंटीजर टाइप नंबर, और अगर उसको a को ही आपने उसमें नेम में कर दिया तो वो क्या करेगा, उसको ओवरराइट कर देगा. तो यू कैन टेक द सेम वेरिएबल, Okay, so it is not pinpoint on use of a single variable for different data types, right? So first of all, you need to know that how can we install the Python. So there is a very simple process for installing the Python. It is a two steps only. First, download Python distribution, and second one is Python installation process. Okay, so first I will tell you about how to download the Python. Okay, then I will show you practically also. Okay, so first of all, you have to type in the browser www.python.org. When you click on this site, so it will show you download Python latest version. Okay, so latest version is in at this time 3.8.5 is going on, right? So if you want to click on this button, your Python downloading will start. Okay, so second point is double click on the icon. Okay, and then it will show you the pop-up window, and click on the run option. Click on the run option. Okay, and then setup pop-up window will appear. Before clicking on install now option, you have to add this Python library. You have to check box, otherwise it is clear one. But if you want to go for further programming, like you want to connectivity in class 12th even, तो आई विल सजेस्ट यू बेटा कि आप इसको टिक करके रखो ताकि आपको नेक्स्ट टाइम अनइंस्टॉल ना करनी पड़े लैंग्वेज को, ठीक है? तो जब आप इस बटन को लुक एट दी, आप जब ऐड पाइथन 3.6 और मेरे इसमें क्या है 3.6 है, तो अगर आप इसको क्लिक करोगे तो आपका पाइथन का पाथ भी इंक्लूड हो जाएगा, क्योंकि जब हमें आगे और बेटर प्रोग्रामिंग करनी है तो हमें इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू कि जब आप पाइथन इंस्टॉल करो तो जब इंस्टॉल नाउ को क्लिक करने से पहले आपको इसको जरूर ऐड करना है, ठीक है? थर्ड वन इज it will show you user account control pop-up window will appear. Click yes button, and then a new Python version setup will appear as with a setup progress. So okay, then a new Python version will show you that setup was successful. Okay, then click on the close button. In this way you can download the Python language, right? So how to work in Python language? Before going to this, I will tell you how to open the Python language. Go to the browser, just type here www.python.org. okay, I will share you something with you also. While suppose see, so go to the downloads. So this is a this is a download Python 3.8.5. This is the latest version for Windows. Okay, you just click on it, it will download the Python language. But if you don't want to download this language, this version, you can just click on the downloads, click on the all release, and just scroll down, and you see there are many versions here. Suppose you want to install 3.7 or 3.6 version. Okay, just find out a version, those which you want. So 3.7 or 3. Suppose I want this 3.7.8. Just click on it and scroll it, and here is a very important. Suppose it will depend on your operating system as well. वो कैसे बेटा? जैसे कि आपकी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है 32 बिट, तो आप क्या करोगे? विंडो x86 एग्जीक्यूशन इंस्टॉलर को इंस्टॉल करोगे. और अगर आपका जो है 64 बिट एग्जीक्यूटेबल इंस्टॉलर है, तो आप इसके ऊपर क्लिक करोगे तो ये डाउनलोड हो जाएगा. बट आप क्वेश्चन आपका ये होगा कि मैम हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि हमारा सिस्टम 32 बिट है या 64 बिट? वैसे तो आपको ये पता ही होगा, लेकिन मैं फिर भी आपको बता देती हूँ कि जस्ट क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट बटन, right click on my computer icon, go to properties. Here it will show you see system type. So my system is 64 bit. मेरी आपका हो सकता है 64 बिट हो या 32 बिट मशीन हो, ठीक है? तो फिर आपने उसी उसके ऊपर वर्जन पे आपने क्लिक करना है। आप इस पे क्लिक करोगे, जैसे कि मेरी विंडो x86 64 बिट मशीन के लिए, तो आई विल क्लिक ऑन दिस वर्जन, तो ऑटोमेटिक स्टार्ट डाउनलोडिंग, so very quickly it downloads. Okay, so double click on it and it will install. Okay, so after installation of Python, we can work it on the following ways. Okay, there are two modes. One is interactive mode and another one is script mode. Okay, so so how to work in interactive mode? Okay, search the Python exe. Okay, just search here Python exe. Okay, so when you click on the Python exe, it will show you this is a interactive mode. Even this is a Python prompt. Okay, even if you don't want to do this, interactive mode में work नहीं करना है. Okay, so just search IDLE. So it will also show you a prompt here. So this is a shell. This is a Python shell. Here, whatever you type, it will print. When you press the enter key, it will give you the output. See. So click start button. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया तो आपको कैसे Python ओपन करनी है, IDLE. Just type IDLE in the search box. Click on it. Okay. It will show you the Python. Suppose I want to print my name. Suppose I print my name. Just type print. तो आपको जैसे मैंने print बोला तो print is a statement for printing the output. So it is very important statement. Just type in print and my name. Suppose I am writing my channel name. Learn programming with Python. Okay. And just I press the enter key, it will show you the output. And if you want to add some numbers, 10 plus 20, it will show 30. You can multiply even. You can divide even. Okay. So in this way, you can use various operators. So we will discuss operators in our next video. Okay. So this is a interactive mode. Okay. Next one is like this. You just type these and you can get the result immediately, right? So this is a next one is a script mode. Suppose you want to add so many lines and you want output. Okay, after that. Okay, suppose your program is big one, so you always use this open file. Click on file, new file, type here. If you want more line, just type here print learn programming. Suppose I'm writing my channel name with Saloni. Okay, and print hello my dear students. Okay, so you can type any lines. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so when I run this program, just run and it will ask you to save the file. Save before run or check. Just press the OK key and type here the message. I am going to give the name of this file message and just press it and it will show you the output. Learn programming with Saloni. Hello my dear students. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so these are my messages. Okay, so my file is permanently saved in the memory, right? So whenever you want to open, you just click on file and open and select the program and it will open. Okay, this will open your program. So you can save your program. Whatever you learn, save it. Okay, for further reference. So in this way, this is a script mode. Okay, this is a script mode. And one important thing, what is the extension of this programming language? The extension is .py. Keep remember this. Okay, you should know about the language extension as well. Okay, तो ये कौन से इसके प्रोग्राम की जो एक्सटेंशन बनेगी वो क्या बनेगी, .py. ऑलराइट, ओके. सो इन दिस वे स्टेप 2 क्या है, आपको मैंने बता दिया कि आप रन करोगे मॉड्यूल को, ठीक है, यूजिंग द F5 की, और उसके साथ इवन आपको मैं और चीजें बताना चाहती हूँ कि अगर आप जब आप इंस्टॉल करोगे तो इसके लेटर बहुत स्मॉल होते हैं, तो मैंने थोड़ा सा बिग किया हुआ था कि आपको विजिबल हो. तो उसके लिए आप क्या करोगे, आप कॉन्फ़िगर पे क्लिक करते हो. अगर आपको कोई और फॉन्ट चाहिए, यू कैन सिलेक्ट एनी अदर फॉन्ट आल्सो, सो मेनी फॉन्ट्स आर देयर, राइट. So if I choose any font, I can select any font from this list. Suppose I am Times New Roman, and I can improve the size as well. I can decrease the size as well, and click on the apply and OK button to see my font size is changed, और font भी change हो गया और size भी change हो गया. तो in this way you can change the size as well. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि हमको नजर ही नहीं आता है कि क्या है लिखा, क्या लिख रहे हैं हम लोग, ठीक है, तो ये इससे आपको हेल्प होगी. सो I think it is clear to all of you. So student, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Okay. In our next video, we will learn Python fundamentals. Please like my video and share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Okay. Till then, keep watching, keep sharing. Bye bye. Thank you.